In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a listing from eBay directly from your selling overview. To get started, sign in to your eBay account. Once you're logged in, go to the top right corner, hover over My eBay, and then choose Selling from the drop-down menu. This takes you to the area where you can manage your active listings and other selling activity. It should open on the Overview page. If it doesn't, select Overview from the left-hand panel under Selling. You'll now see your listings, find the item you want to remove, and make sure you've selected the correct listing before continuing, since deleting it removes it from your selling inventory. Quick side note, for more straightforward eBay tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. Next to the listing, click the downward pointing arrow beside Relist. From the menu that appears, choose Delete this item. eBay will ask you to confirm the action. Click Delete to permanently remove the listing. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a listing from eBay.